What's up, everybody? So for today's video, if you guys can tell by the thumbnail or the title of the video, this is a plug and play. This is my first plug and play that I bought. I've actually tried them a long time ago with my friend, and he only let me hit it for a couple hits. But like, let me tell you, bro, that first hit, bro, got me lit as fuck. So, you know, like, this shit fucking crazy, bro. So we about to unbox this shit. About to put this shit right here. So right here I got my apple slushie. It says right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Anyways, it's 87% THC and 0.22% CBD. It's apple slushie, 1,000 milligrams. I think it's a full gram. Yeah, I never really. This is my first one I ever bought. So basically, this is my first ever plug and play. It says right here, like it's what's it called? It has a QR code, and I actually did the QR code, and it's a verification code. So it just scans that shit. So, you know, once I you know, do the scanning, then I'll tell you guys what's in this shit, you know, or whatever it says on the QR code. But anyways, man, let's get open into this shit, man. I got this plug and play battery. It's actually the 1.0 one. I guess there's a 2. Is there a 2.0? I'm not sure. But anyways, man, let's just get into this. This is my first ever plug and play. Never had one before. But yeah, man, let's just get into this. I guess this one has a QR code right there too. The power to play. This is the front, side. Says the same thing from this side to that side. The power to play, and the back. This is the back. Box content includes high performance battery and USB charger. Plus plug play plug pod not included. That's what this is. So yeah, we about to open this shit up, see what this is all about. Shit. There we go. My first ever one, bro. I wonder how you open this. Oh shit, you slide it? Oh fuck yeah, dude. Woo! Check that out. Oh my gosh, bro. Ooh, let's go. Let's play, bro. Let's play. Yo, bro, I definitely gotta keep the fucking box, bro, on some real shit. Oh shit, battery life. So while not charging, red light indicates battery life is at 20% or below. While charging, red light indicates charging. White light indicates fully charged. A note of caution: do not hold plug and play without inhaling. It may damage. What? Do not hold plug and play button without inhaling. Okay. It may damage the plug cart and/or alter flavor content. Oh shit. Okay. So we got more right here. It says right here, insert plug. No one. It says right here, step 1, insert plug. Step 2, press play 5 times to turn on and off. And then it says step 3, push and hold play button while you hit that plug. Beware of blinkers. Oh shit! Yo, I heard that blinkers on this shit go fucking stupid. I heard that, like, if you hit 2 blinkers, bro, like, it just, like, you're just fucking lit. So, yo, oh my gosh, I got the blue one. They had a orange one, I think a purple one. They had the regular one too, the one that everybody gets. I saw it on Dopezola channel. Well, I don't know. It's like it's not this box, but it's basically like a whole black box with just a plug, with just a play button right there. If you guys know what I'm talking about, leave in the comments down below. Anyways, man. Oh shit, dude. Oh fuck. How do I put this back in? Oh shit. Yo, that shit fucking crazy, dude. Oh my gosh. Okay. I got the blue one. So far it feels pretty good. It doesn't feel like, it feels not heavy, but not light either. Like it feels like a sturdy pen. Oh, the button, hear that? Oh, let's go. Okay. It has the charger right there. Yeah, this is the version 1. I think the one that Dopezola has the version 2.0. I'm not sure if they have a 2.0. But let's just open this shit, man. Damn, how do I fucking open this shit? Okay, so basically I had to take the sticker off. Basically, you get the sides right here, both sides, you pinch them like so. You pinch them in like that, and then you get the bottom right here, and you just push. So you go like boom, you know, and then boom, got that. You already know. Ooh, dude, I could do that shit all day, bro. Man, I could do that shit all day. Well, basically, you pull it off from here, and you got this blue tip covering the covering the tip, and this is apple slushy exotics. So we better try this out. Because it's magnetic and stuff. Okay, let's see. Oh shit, it's on. So press it 5 times. I'm gonna try this out. Oh shit. This does taste like apple slushy. Yes, sir. Damn. Damn, that got me lit. Now I'm gonna take 1 minute. Yeah. That tastes like apple slushy, bro. Wow, that does got flavor. It tastes like apple slushy, or like one of those Baskin Robbins ice creams or something like that I used to eat all the time. It has like a purple ice cream with like Pop Rocks in it or something. It's fucking crazy. That kind of tastes like that. It's I fuck with it. I also got this cart right here. Oh man, this is an indica. This is a hybrid. But anyways, if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out, motherfuckers.